It is 100% possible for you to get a steady flow of leads coming through online through your lead form on your business website for your house cleaning services. How do I know? Because we work with tons of house cleaning services, managing and hosting their website through Mighty Sites, and we see the flow of leads that come through for these businesses on a consistent basis. That can be you. And in this video, I'm going to share the tips that you need to know to help you generate leads online on an ongoing basis through your business website of people looking to hire you for your house cleaning business. Best part, we're going to talk about this in easy, cost-effective ways that are going to work for your business and are proven to work and fit the budget of a house cleaning business too. And guess what? In this video, we're going to share this even if you've never done any marketing before, even if you're brand new for your house cleaning business. Just click on that link below, set up a Mighty Sites website for only $9 a month, and we're going to talk about what you need to do to generate leads on a consistent basis for your house cleaning service so that you can skyrocket the growth of your business. Okay, first up, this is a tried and true method. Design eye-catching flyers. Here's the twist. Add a personal touch, maybe a fun fact about your cleaning team or quirky cleaning tip. Distribute these in local neighborhoods, community boards, the local newspaper, free publication papers. Remember, people love a personal connection. Don't underestimate the power that still exists in print advertising pieces, and there are cheap and inexpensive ways to distribute those now. Sending them, putting them in local community centers works really, really well. All right, moving on to tip number 2. Boost your social media presence. Create before and after photos of your cleaning projects. Post these on Facebook or Instagram with catchy captions. Remember, a picture is worth 1,000 words. It's going to catch people's eye on social media and make them look into your house cleaning service a little bit more. And then take that next step to go visit your website and submit themselves as a lead if they're interested in hiring a house cleaning business. All right, tip number 3, let's continue to focus on word of mouth. Start a referral program, offer discounts to clients who refer new customers. It's like telling your clients, hey, thanks for spreading the word. Here's a little something for you in the future, right? 10% off their next cleaning. Why does this work so well? When you have a website, now your customers, when they refer, they just send the link to your website, right? And now somebody can see that professional representation of your business, and they easily know how to call you, email you, or fill out your lead form on your website. Way easier than if you don't have this and you just have to make your customers text a phone number to somebody else. That doesn't work as well as when you actually have something representing your business that people can send to others. It's like your online business card. All right, next up, tip number 4, make sure you're partnering with local businesses. Maybe the coffee shop down the street could put your flyers on their counter. In return, you could clean their shop at a discount. It's a win-win, right? So leverage these things together and think about how you can collaborate with other local businesses that are also looking for ways to create referral partnerships to mutually grow. All right, tip number 5, gather glowing testimonials. Ask your happy customers to leave reviews on your Google business profile and on your Yelp page and on your Facebook page. Positive words from others can be super convincing. And not only that, but it's also going to convince Google to bring your business up more often. When you have positive reviews and a steady flow of reviews about your business online, it builds trust. And tip number 6, stay involved in your community. Attend local events, sponsor a youth sports team. It's all about getting your name out there and being part of that community fabric. All right, tip number 7, create fridge magnet business cards. People always need a fridge magnet for their fridge, right? And every time they grab a snack, they'll see their contact info. Which business do you think they're gonna call the next time they need house cleaning? Tip number 8, start a monthly email newsletter. Share cleaning tips, special offers, or fun facts about your team. Keep it light and engaging. You'll stay top of mind with your clients. Tip 9 is for the online world. Optimize your website for local SEO. Use local keywords on your website. So don't just say, we're house cleaners. Say, best house cleaning in Denver, Colorado, right? This helps people when they're doing an online search connect with your business because you have local information on your business about who you are and where you do the job that you do. And finally, tip 10, make sure you add a personal touch. Send a thank you note after a job, or remember a special client occasion. Small gestures like that can make your customers feel valued, and that makes them more likely to not only rehire you again, but also to refer your business to others. And so there you have it, folks. That's 10 simple and affordable tips to skyrocket your client leads. If you don't have a website yet, click on the link below. It's only $9 a month for a simple website from Mighty Sites, and there's a free trial. Remember, it's all about building relationships, creating visibility, directing traffic back to your website, and watch your house cleaning business flourish. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great tips. We'll catch you in the next video.